Hey everyone, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Did you upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18 and find a ton of bugs? Want to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17 but scared of losing data? Don't worry, this video will teach you how to downgrade successfully without losing data. As you can see, iOS 18 devices have tons of data. Follow the instructions in this video, and all your data will be recovered after the downgrade. Step 1. Turn off Find My iPhone. Find the option for Find My and switch it off. This is important to avoid any issues during the backup and downgrade process, and to prevent activation lock afterwards. Remember to back up your data before proceeding. Step 2. Back up your data in iTunes. It's best to use iTunes to back up your data, especially if you've updated to iOS 18. Simply connect your device to your computer, open iTunes, and go to the summary page. Click Backup Now to create a local backup. If iTunes doesn't display the summary page for iOS 18 yet, check back later. Step 3. Downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17. Step 3. Downgrade iOS 18 with iMyFone Fixppo or iTunes. If you want to downgrade with iTunes, it may have to go through a lot of errors. If you want to downgrade iOS easily with one click, this iOS downgrade tool iMyFone Fixppo is the one you can't miss. For your convenience, I will first demonstrate how to downgrade using iMyFone Fixppo, then show you how to downgrade using iTunes. Method 1. Downgrade iOS 18 with iMyFone Fixppo. Step 1. Download iMyFone Fixppo from the bio in the descriptions below and launch Fixppo. Step 2. Click the iOS downgrade to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to PC with USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Step 4. Fixppo will detect your iPhone system and show you the available iOS firmware version to download and downgrade. Click the download button to get the iOS firmware for downgrading. When the firmware is downloaded, click the Start Downgrade iOS button for Fixppo to begin downgrading your current iOS version to older iOS. In a few minutes, the downgrading process will be complete. If you don't want to see the second downgrade method, please click on the timestamps in the description to jump directly to Step 4, where you will be shown how to restore your phone's previous data. Method 2. Downgrade iOS 18 with iTunes. To downgrade using iTunes, you must search and download the IPSW file manually. Visit ips.me to find the iOS files for your iPhone model, download the file, and wait for the process to finish. Plug your iPhone into your PC. Open iTunes, and navigate to your iPhone. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and press Restore. Select the restore.ips file that you downloaded. Wait for the restore to complete, and the iPhone to reboot. If you encounter an error or file support issue with iTunes, you can try using the first method of iMyFone Fixppo to downgrade your iPhone. Step 4. Modify the backup. After the downgrade is complete, you will see your phone has been reset. Now, let's start restoring backup data. Click Transfer your apps and data from Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone with computer, if you backed up your data with iOS 18. And now your phone is back to iOS 17.5.1, some modifications are necessary. Go to the Restore Backup page in iTunes. Hold down the window and R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Navigate to Apple Computer Mobile Sync. And open the backup folder. The backup we created should be the most recent one, based on the last modified time. Inside the folder, scroll down to the bottom and find the info. Open it in Notepad. Press Ctrl and F to open the search bar. And search for the word product. Not too far down, you'll see the product version. If you downgrade from iOS 18, it should say 18. And you can change it to iOS 17.5.1 or the version you downgrade it to. Then tap Ctrl and S to save the file. Now we can go back to iTunes and start the restore process. Click on Restore Backup. And select the backup we just modified. iTunes will restore your data, your phone will restart. Now you can see that all the data including apps, photos have been restored. And your phone is now downgraded to the version you want. Enjoy your phone. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.